I'm Kenny Hull. I'm the Product and Commercial Manager for Terex Recycling Systems. Obviously it's a huge milestone for the development of Terex Recycling Systems to have a reference plant. Not only a reference, but here with a very kind of key player in the UK waste market. So the C&D waste material is brought into the reception hall. The customer does a pre-sort to remove any large bulky items, and then it's fed into the waste feeder. We then convey it to a SPALEC screen which splits the material into 4 fractions, removing a -10mm LOI compliant fines. We have then 2 mid-size fractions, 10 to 50 and 50 to 100mm, which are conveyed to air separation, and then they have a final quality control and eddy current, and magnets as well for the removal of ferrous and non-ferrous metals. Oversized material then goes through a manual sorting cabin, and then we have a magnet for removal of ferrous metal, and an air knife then for a final clean-up to leave a clean hardcore. So the big value offering here is a better return on investment in terms of processing more waste, recovering materials of higher purity and quality with a better return, and ultimately diverting more waste from landfill.